Hello everyone, my name is Anton and I am a marketer. In this video I want to share some great AI tools that can help with marketing and can be a real alternative to ChatGPT. While I love ChatGPT, there are free options that can be even more interesting for specific needs. In this video I will share you two main options, one from Meta, one from Google, and another tool that works really well with text and marketing tasks. Let's get started. Thank you for the subscribing. My channel is small and it's growing quickly. Thanks for your support. Now let's look at the first tool. It's called Lama 3. It's a strong player in the AI field. If you visit their official site, you can connect to their API. So it's more inexpensive than ChatGPT. It offers some interesting feature. Currently, there are versions 8B and 70B. The 70B versions create more interesting text, and while 8B is faster and more straightforward. I will show you a tool called Grok, which allow you to use Llama 3 and other models. Grok can process up to 1500 tokens per second, which is very fast. For my work, I use the AB models mainly for creating video scripts. The results are decent but not exceptional. However, for tasks requiring quick information generation, like in sales or call centers, it's very useful. The second tool is Geminy from Google. The text it produced are basic but sufficient for the many tasks. It's free like ChatGPT with advanced options available through a subscription. You can also use Google AI Studio, a free solution that supports Gemini 1.5 Pro, offering better text generation. Especially for the video scripts, it also allows you to work with the images and audio. Google AI Studio is a powerful tool for many features. If you are interested, leave a comment and I'll make a detailed video about it. It allows structured prompt creation and provides feedback on thumbnails, suggesting improvement like adding brightness or contrast. Gemini 1.5 Pro is great for marketing tasks, content generation and data handling. It can also extract information from PDFs and other files. I plan to make more videos on practical uses of these tools in marketing. The last tool is Claude, which isn't from a big company, but it's still worth checking out. It performs well in text generation, offer better than ChatGPT. The free version has limitations, but the paid versions is compared to price to ChatGPT and offer more features. It's especially good for generating scripts and structured text. However, it's blocked in some countries and the free versions has very low limits. In conclusions, Gemini 5 Pro is a great free alternative to ChatGPT with impressive capabilities. Claude is also a strong option, especially for text-related tasks. If you need fast processing, their tools are more considering. Thank you for the watching and please subscribe. See you in the next video.